We're shifting our focus to the state of West Bengal, where BJP MP Soumitra Khan was arrested by the Kolkata police over unlawful assembly. He and other BJP workers organized protests in Phool Bagan. Now, BJP was protesting over the issue of dead bodies owing to COVID-19 and how the dead bodies were being handled. This was the protest that was ongoing in Phool Bagan, after which the Kolkata police came and arrested BJP MP Soumitra Khan, stating unlawful assembly. My colleague Suryagini has sent us this report. Let's listen in.
After Loket Chatterjee's protest over fee hike, Kolkata is seeing another MP of BJP over here in Phool Bagan, where local BJP workers led by MP Soumitra Khan was protesting over here, and they had no permission for this assembly, and that is why the heavy deployment of police is being seen. They are being moved from this particular place. Workers of the BJP who had assembled here without permission are being arrested. We are seeing these visuals. This protest was being led by Soumitra Khan, and these people are being taken into custody. With camera person Shubhra Ghosh, Suryagni Roy, Republic TV, Kolkata.
So, Suryagini, they're pretty much getting us the pictures from when the protests were underway and how exactly did the Kolkata police handle the entire matter. Now, this was a protest over the disposal of dead bodies in Kolkata, which has been an increasing matter of concern and is also been highlighted by the Bengal governor himself. But questions that are being asked to the Mamata Banerjee government, and when the BJP staged a protest in Phool Bagan, the Kolkata police came and arrested BJP MP Soumitra Khan, stating unlawful assembly.